Мгм. Нормально? Нет, ты сидишь. Да. От кого закрываю? Вон камера идет. А, там, да. Тогда сделаем чуть-чуть вот так. Не, просто подвигай сюда. Раз, два, слышно. Один, два. Один, два. Слышимость, раз, два. Раз, два, слышно. Слышно, раз, два. Один, два. One, two, three. Can you hear me? All right. Okay, I'm Sergey Vakarin, and together with Velopolsky Studios, I present this project, which is called Carrefour Global Travel. And can we start the video, please? During my visit to Spain, when I was coming back from Toledo and Segovia, I visited a couple of Carrefours in Aravaca and Calle and I noticed that the prices look strange to me. I would feel better if they are in my own currency. When we looked at Carrefour data, we noticed that some of the customers were really valuable, top end. They were buying quite expensive goods. They had long checks, and some other group of customers were also having long checks, but their prices of goods were smaller. So among these almost 600,000 checks, we thought that these ideas are interesting to research them. These customers, if they travel through other countries, would be probably interested to see the goods in Carrefours in those countries in their own currency. That's why we decided that if we look at one of the examples of Carrefours in Romania, let us imagine that this valuable customer that we noticed, let it be Cristiano Ronaldo from Spain, Real Madrid, and he comes to Romania and wants to buy some stuff. Right, he can register himself so that the system recognizes him. And then he would see his own profile and his discounts that we give to him because he buys lots of stuff for expensive prices. You can also see his ID. On the other hand, if he immediately goes to the goods, he browses the Romanian Carrefour site, he finds the coffee that he would like, and he presses the button, even though it's in Romanian, but there is only button that he can activate. Right. But here he immediately gets a button in English, My Carrefour in English. Right, after pressing this button, he again comes to his registration menu, and here when he enters his verification, and you see it's you ID and your password, everything is you and I, like iPhone. Right, so when he signs in, he can see the price in the currency that is familiar to him. So it is the price not in lei, but in euros, and with his discounts as well. Right. Now, our developer who helped us so much during this project, Alexander, let's imagine he enters his own verification in the system. Then maybe if he was getting the stuff, quite a lot of long lists, but for small prices, he gets a smaller discount. And again, he sees the price in euros, which is a more familiar currency. Then this is a very convenient system. Sorry, that was the latest part of the video, because we can also go to Facebook. And for example, using the data, you can see who of your friends is purchasing stuff in Carrefour at the same time when you are there. So you can meet, discuss stuff, and there are huge number of opportunities with Facebook. And let us also see the demonstration of the piece of software that we managed to code during these couple of days. So let us start. Here is this button, Carrefour in English. It's not, well, English is visible. Let us press it. So basically, it's the only English stuff on this Romanian page, and international customers would value it. That's for global travelers, for sure. So if he enters the information, right, come back. We are still here. That's how he comes to his own page, if for sure he is Ronaldo. Okay, he is not Ronaldo, so let us come back to the page. Let us scroll it down. and let us see how it works with the particular good, particular merchandise item. And let us press this button in Romanian and see, okay, the price is just in lei. But if you press this English button, we are just showing you the details of the process. Let us enter Alexander's data for the sake of the case. Right. Okay. He sees his discount. That's how the system works. There are many other opportunities that we were researching. Last week, we also won in the another hackathon the virtual reality app. But this is also possible to do with this data, but we didn't explore it. Another interesting one is some people are buying gluten-free stuff. Some people are buying diabetic stuff, and for sure, it's possible to promote these categories of goods using this currency converter and using the Facebook opportunities that we have just shown. But surely, this is a topic of further exploration. Thank you so much for attention.
Как оно работает? Слышно? Well, hello. My hack is the answer to the Carrefour challenge also. And there was said a lot about messenger bots. And in really short terms, we get used to them as everyday helpers. For example, we could easily ask weatherman in some messenger to get the current day weather instead of Googling it and spending a lot more time. So actually this bot already works and it's accessible online through Telegram. So if you have Telegram, you could open and find TADHack bot there and try it on your own. So we have next command there. Suppose that we have some customer of the Carrefour and he wants to get some info about the goods and about the services Carrefour provides. So he could ask for discounts, he could ask exist some good or it is not available and notify, ask Carrefour to notify it when this good appears in some store. So when when user customer type discount, he get probably top 10 goods with largest discounts available in some store. So he could understand that he could get some shrimps with a huge discount, and it motivates him to visit the store. So then he could type a list of some goods he wants and be sure that in these stores he could get both goods. So, for example, some customer is ill and he want milk and honey, and he don't need separate something separate good, and he don't want to search for the stores is it exists there or so on and so on. So he types and gets map where stores Carrefour shows him where stores with which available which could where he could get all the goods. So he could ask notify about some special sort of wine, for example, and the Carrefour answers that okay, we'll notify you when in some store we get especially this special sort of wine, and you could get there and buy it. So actually, user experience would be much better if user could get some maybe branded gifts or some entertainment in the app, and it raises the loyalty of user to the brand. So feel the difference all the way. Open browser, app store, find site apps, then wait while it downloads, then sign up, set up permission, and only then actually get some info. And in the new way, open any messenger, find bot, type command, and actually get some info. It is much quicker and a lot faster. So technology stack that I used to get the prototype, it's vanilla Node.js, it's npm package, not Telegram bot. Telegram is user interface, and it hosts on Heroku, and deployment also made up by Heroku. So thanks for your attention, and try it, please.
Hi guys, my name is Artyom. I'm a member of DataArt team. Another member of my team is Igor, Pavlina, Nastya, one more Igor, and Eugene. And today we would like to present for you it is our web conference application that is compatible with a smart TV. Okay, let's imagine that we have some specific customer with some amount of meeting rooms all around the world in different countries, on different continents and different time zones. Um, our customer office is equipped by smart TV with webcams, and we could provide some solution as it is stored in cloud. It is cloud as service solution, and our web conference could be set up between these offices, and no more extra capital investment should be invest in our solution, right? All we need is just internet connection. and any other telecom and hardware equipment are not needed. Okay, let's move on to our architecture. So it is a cloud-based system. It is stored in cloud. We have some admin part. Who admin could schedule our web conference between different offices, um, between different rooms. Customers only need to came in this room, and our web service already run in this room in this. Uh, and when he or she came, they all they need to do is to click start web conference, and conference is started, and they can communicate in a very free way. Uh, right? It's very high level explanation. What benefits of such approach? As it is a cloud-based system, it is auto scale. It is a flexible subscription for our customer. For example, our customer could provide a fixed price for his or her end users. And per second billing in cloud subscription is also very good for our customer. Okay. Another benefits from our solution that it is there are no hardware and license limitation, as all we need is just smart TV and internet connection. It is secured and confident connection. Any media devices could be compatible. For example, there are for some reasons there are no smart TV application, and our service could be available via different devices such as regular laptop, via browser, or some another devices just like Android, for example. Okay, and in the end, customer will pay only for some operational traffic cost, right? Now let's compare our approach with, let's say, regular approach. On this diagram, you can see some resource usage of our customer. There are some high and low uh, loads on our resources. But with regular approach, when you have some byte system, you pay for it on some stable basis. But it will be good to pay for it as a service. So as you use it, and in this way, you will pay for it. But with such approach, and at some point of time, you will reach such situation when your infrastructure wouldn't be available to satisfy your requirements. And with regular approach, there will be some idle times when you don't use all of your infrastructure. And when you reach the limit of your resources, you will need to increase capacity of your infrastructure. However, with our approach as cloud as a service, you can use our service. So actually use what you need and pay for what you use. It also could be a very good feature of a cloud business as service in our case. Okay, and this is our dream team. Okay, that's it from my side. Thank you for your attention.
Куда говорить? Hello to everyone. We are a team who created an application for buying tickets for public transport. And at first, we want to show you a small video. So our application is Unitik. Our life consists of lots of everyday movements. Sometimes we go by foot or some people use cars. But a huge role in our life plays the public transport because we spend lots of time in it going to work, university, school, shop, etc. So in the morning people are too tired because of the waking up too early, and in the evening people are too tired because of hard work. So it's simple thing to forget your present card at home, and it's even more hard to stay in a long line in the evening. So we created Unitik, an application that makes your using of public transport more comfortable. Our audience are all people who use public transport. The privileges of our application. You can buy a single ticket or a ticket from 1 to 30 days. This app can save your card data safely, so you don't need to enter this data every time. You can buy one ticket for a group of people. You can also receive reminders if the time of a ticket will finish soon, and you can use this application offline. It's how the interface of our application looks like. On the main screen, you can see all your tickets which are already bought. We have 4 kinds of public transport: subway, tram, bus, and trolleys. If you need a ticket, you click on the buy a ticket. Also, you can click on the ticket category. You can see all your available tickets. For example, you clicked on the tickets for subway, and here you can have one single ticket and one ticket for months. After clicking on buy a ticket, you can choose the type of transport and the period you need. You can choose a single ticket or a ticket for several days up to the month. Also, we have the discount for students, retired people, and other categories is provided. The last step is a payment. You enter your card data and buy a ticket. After this step, you go to the bank payment. A ticket is controlled by QR code. Every controller will have our program, so he can simply check it in the entrance or in the public transport if a ticket is valid. After successful confirmation, a screen with the information about days left and how many people can use this ticket, for example, it's a group ticket, is appeared. And we have some future features. We want to make a possibility to pay directly by your phone by putting your phone to NFC scanner. You can also choose the country where you are, because the process of buying tickets are varied from city to city, and also different hints for foreigners in other countries what transport would be better to choose. And now we can present our
Now we show how it works. I'm passenger, that is controller, and I controller please me to check my ticket. I can show I click to my ticket, to my available ticket, and it's create QR code. Please.
And I open my app, and here you can see that it text me to
scan the QR code.
scan the QR code on his phone. And the app shows
information about tickets, its status, type of transfer, it's a bus, and which days left, 4 days, and how many people can use this ticket. Yes, that's all.
Thank you for your attention.
Okay, hello to everybody. My name is Dmitry Sakhno and this is Sergey Yurik. I am customer loyalty manager at Kyivstar, biggest mobile operator in Ukraine, and Sergey is a developer in our team. We decided to accept challenge from Carrefour. And what's our idea and what's an issue? Have you ever been interested what food buy and eat your friends, your fitness trainer, your yoga trainer, maybe some famous restaurant critics, or your crazy vegan friend which try to promote vegan life for you? And our idea is to let these people share their purchases at Carrefour. Every day or every week they make purchases, and thousands of checks are going to Carrefour database, which nobody could see except Carrefour. So our idea is to share this data, and that everybody who wants, they could follow anybody for whom they want. How it works? Carrefour customer pays for his check at the cash box, and he identify himself with loyalty card. Data with his purchase list go to Carrefour server, which I think already works now, and then Carrefour server send notification to customer's mobile app, and the customer automatically get offered to share his purchase list in application. He could edit this list, or he could reject to share it if he want or doesn't want. When he allows, his purchase list go to the news feed where everybody who follows him could check what this customer buy today. Okay, we will demonstrate you how works our application, some small demo video. Let's start. So you log in your application. For login, we use loyalty card number. You enter your loyalty card number, for example, only 01. Then you get SMS for confirmation that it's really you, not somebody else. You enter SMS and you get to your news feed. You could follow people who are you already following, could see the purchase list, you could see photo of the purchases if they make it. So for example, you see fitness trainer, maybe it's especially interested for those who care about their diet. You could search for people who is in this application. Also, you have a profile where you can set your privacy settings. You can create groups with whom you want to share information or with whom you doesn't want to share. Okay, let's show our presentation. Again. Okay. Share their data. Celebrities, bloggers, chefs at restaurants, they could get absolutely new platform to communicate with their already existing followers. They could attract new followers. Also, they could promote themselves and this application like experts in food industry. Also, these people, celebrities and bloggers, they could monetize their blog in this application because they could promote groceries and food of different FMCG companies. For example, FMCG company pays them money and they buy their products, and followers of these bloggers could see that they love these products. Also, fitness, yoga trainers and so on also could promote themselves as experts in food industry and advertise their purchase list. Also, customers could get recommendations about their data, for example, for their diet. For example, if your doctor follows you, he could check your purchase list and recommend you to stop buying something or to start buying something new which will be more healthy for you. And of course, the main reason people like to share their data, why do they share data in Instagram? Just because they like it. And why is it interesting for customers to follow somebody in this application? As I said previously, they want to satisfy their curiosity about life of other people, what they eat. Also, they choose somebody diet. For example, I could choose some celebrity and eat everything which this celebrity eats. So we have the same diet with this celebrity. I think it could be very interesting, especially for girls. And also I could discover new products. Every day I buy the same products and I want to discover something new, but I have a lack of imagination. I just check purchase list of somebody else, find some new products already in application. I could add them to my future purchase list, and there at Carrefour I could buy it. And also try to think for a minute, how many people's diet are you interested to check and follow, and how many people's your mom or your girlfriend would like to check and follow. I think it will be most interesting for women audience. Okay, and the main reason why we are here is profit. Everything is made for profit, and where is the profit for Carrefour in this application? First of all, it improves customer experience. It changes your buying experience. If without this application, people just buy stuff and that's all. It's only his personal issue. But when he share his purchase list, it became social. He socialized, and everybody else could interact with them and discuss his purchase list. Also, this application helped to retain customers. It's one of the main issue for retailers to retain their current customers. For example, if customer want to share his purchase list, he should buy food only in Carrefour because this application is working only with Carrefour because Carrefour provide data automatically. so he won't go to another retail store. Also, it could attract new customers. If somebody doesn't use Carrefour, but he want to share his purchase list, he ought to go to Carrefour and start buying stuff there. Also, Carrefour could promote the loyalty program with help of this application, because it's possible to allow people to use this application only if he have a loyalty program card, because identification is made by loyalty program card. Also, this application could increase average bill of each customer. Why? Because when people show their purchase list to everybody else in public, they want to show how healthy they are, how good food they contribute. So that's why maybe they will change their purchase list to buy better and more expensive goods. Also, this application could help collect data about customers. Carrefour could get know friends list of his customers. He could find who is the most influencing to another customers. And another way of earning money in this application is earning money from promotion of FMCG companies' goods in this application. For example, Coca-Cola could pay money to Carrefour, and Carrefour will show purchase list with Coca-Cola at the top of news feed. And how to promote it. Also, advantage of this application that it is easy to promote it. Carrefour already have huge customer base, and it already have 3 millions of installation of its own application. We offer to add this new module with the purchase list to current application. So in a one day, Carrefour will get 3 millions of user of this application. Also, Carrefour, if this application will be implemented, one of the main points is to create content. The most interesting people, it's the celebrities, bloggers, and so on, and Carrefour should motivate them to use this application. And also, for promotion could be used different traditional channels, and one of the main that this application could be really viral, because people could start to share purchase list of another person of their purchase list and could promote this application by themselves. Oh, and final slide. What is the best in this idea? First of all, that idea is 100% careful customer experience orientated, and it could bring profit. Idea is big, flexible, scalable. You could improve it as you want. Also, as I said before, Carrefour already have big customer base, and it's easy to promote application among them. And idea is simple and it's really new. Thank you for your attention. We'll be glad to answer your questions.
Hi, my dear friends. Today I want to tell you about electronic accountant for Carrefour. It's electronic document flow system, and now I want to tell you what you need it. This system can help you to create different documents from your JSON database. Uh, for example, you can create cash memo for user, pay bills for suppliers, and reports for government. Uh, let's imagine that you're in a business trip. You must collect cash memos for get money from your employer, and it's cash memo. Oop, and you haven't it. But how you can to tell your employer that you really spend this money? I wanna show you this. It's a cash memo with QR code. If you scan it, you will have link that will forever contain this PDF document that included more that you buy this item and list of items and total costs. It's only one case of use this system. It's a second, analytics. You can set different criteria of analytics for uh, generating. For example, we analyzing two malls from 11 to 17 July of this year. And we set criteria of analysis, number of purchases. But we can set all of that you want and that you have this data. What is instruction? Select type of document, it's cash memo, report, or you can create your personal type. You need only create sample HTML document that will contain your fields. Set additional options and press OK. And after a minute, you will have a document in PDF format. You can automatically load it to Google Drive or save in local machine. And it economically a lot of hours of your time. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Igor Tselinchuk. I am founder of project Bot Funnels. And we present with our team this project in TADHack. Is there anybody there who sells online? If yes, there is a big pain for everybody who sells online because less than 1% of your advertising budget comes into your pocket. Other 99%, like me, like in my 3 online businesses, goes into trash because conversion of every step on convenient marketing channels is very bad. What we do in bot funnels? We make smart marketing automation system using chatbots in most popular messengers in the world. We speak directly with our customers and we make in bot funnels service, we make sales funnels using Facebook Messenger, using Skype, using Viber, using Telegram, using WhatsApp, using Contact. Bot funnels include simple drag and drop editor for editing all sales funnels and or editing all lead generation tools like this. All market is huge, is 170 billion worldwide online ad budgets, more than 400 million different businesses needs it, and more than 3 billion users of Messenger are in the world. This is business model. We consider SaaS model for this project, and what we do in TADHack, because we come here with idea. What we do in TADHack, our results. Prototype is realized. Sales funnel stages. In different sales funnel stages, we use different API, and also we use the API of some sponsors of TADHack. We use VitAI. This is smart artificial intelligence bots. It's now part of Facebook in all stages. We use Cisco Spark for communication with our clients, with our future clients in stages of qualifying leads, sales alerts, and in money. And we use Tropo. We use Cisco Spark features like chatbot, and we use Cisco Spark features like video calls for communication with our customers, for communications with customers, businesses which use our services, because it's B2B solution. And we use Tropo API for sending SMS in the qualified leads and sales alerts stages of process of sales, of process of sale funnels. This is example of Cisco Spark bot in use, how it works. This is we make Cisco Spark bot and it works here. Yes, we send messages and this bot uses for sending messages. Automatically, yes. This is bot. And this is bot funnel Cisco Spark video calls in use. This is video calls which we use with Cisco Spark. We connect our bot funnel system with Cisco Spark for video calls. This is bot funnels SMS features using Tropo API. Tropo interface uses for connection. We have API keys, and then this is result of SMS which received our customers. It's one of our customers. Yes. We make website, promo website for bot funnels here, also here in TADHack. This is admin panel of stop. This is admin panel of our service. This is admin. Yes, this was admin panel of our service. This is our website. This is admin panel of our site. We realized prototype of admin panel, and here is sales funnel constructor and drag and drop for every businesses which used our service. And we use templates for every business it's very simple solution for every business to have sales funnel without very high level marketing knowledges. This me. This our team. This is our team, and this is our team photo. And then I want to explain how works our bot funnels. Please, bot funnels. In browser, bot funnels come. Bot funnels come. Bot funnels come. Bot funnels come. It's please. It's bot funnels, and we. Oh, please. This is for our service all features and all what it do. Yes. This is Messenger which we use. Now we connect Facebook and Telegram chatbots, and will be connection of other services. It's the simplest solution for customers. Left is example of widget everywhere on site and in advertising. Here is example of communication with our customer. Well, and it's possible to go to admin panel, log into bot funnels. I hope it would be working. Please enter login and password. Something. It's only demonstration. It's our admin panel, and here we have all features. This feature is sales funnel builder. Well, thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time, and we hope that bot funnels will be used by many businesses everywhere in the world, and your businesses also. Thank you. Oh, well, thank you. Thank you for your attention.